everybody. So I just left Dollar General and I got a couple two Febreze One sprays. These two right here. And then y'all know it's a $5 digital, so buy one get one free basically. And I got two of the plug-ins. This one came with an actual plug, so that's good. Okay, also got some Centrum vitamins. Oh, these ones buy two get $5 off, so basically buy one get one free, you know. These ones, the energy pills, Centrum vitamins. I wanted to get the gummies, but they were all out, so I got these. Cause I be needing energy when I be going to work. Your girl needs energy, okay? But these were $5 with $4 digital. And then I got Truvia sweetener on sale, $2 and then $1.50 off. So all that at Dollar General, my subtotal came up to $802. So and then $9.54 with tax came out to $802. You guys cannot see that. Okay, total came out to $802 and I paid $9.54. So see y'all later with more deals. All right, hey guys, back. Same day, different shirt. Okay, so I went back to Dollar General and I did another transaction that went really, really, really good. It went perfect. Perfect. Okay, so I had got two of the Febreze refill plug-ins. Buy two, get $5 off. Okay. Then I got another Truvia. Also $2, $1.50 digital off. A Swiffer duster, $1 digital. And I got two gummies because there are two $4 coupons, so I got these two. These were both $7. Both $4 coupon digitals came off. The $5 gummies, they were all out, so had to get these. I got one man and one woman, one for my boyfriend. Okay, and then all of that, y'all, that transaction worked out good. You know how some transactions you think they're gonna go good and then they go bad? So that one, everything was $6.50 and then I paid $7.90 for tax. So that transaction worked really, really good. Everything came out good. I'll show y'all my receipt. Okay, all right. And then after I went to Dollar General, I went to the Asian store. And I really just need to go in there to go get some seaweed and radish. But then some other stuff caught my eye because I watched somebody's vlog and they had went to the Asian store and they had got candies. What was it? Miss Tiffany mom. So she had got these, she thinks she got the apple ones and she said they were really, really juicy. So ever since that, I really wanted to try, but I didn't think they were gonna be in my Asian store. And then this one is an assorted pack. This one comes with lychee, mango, and strawberry. Nowhere. All right. Look what I found. Huh? Yeah. I haven't tried them yet. I'm gonna wait for you. Oh, and then I used to always have this. My grandma used to get this. My grandma is full on Korean, so I'm like part Korean. So she used to always get this grapes juice, and it has real grapes in it. So I got one for my boyfriend, one for me. And then I found these sodas. It's supposed to be some type of marble to drop in here. And this one says blueberry flavor, but then this one just says ramen soda. So I hope it's just not, I hope this one isn't just seltzer water, because that's gonna be gross. But yeah, so, and then I had got some seaweed, the one thing that I came in there to get. So yeah, when my boyfriend gets back, we'll try everything and give y'all a taste test. I'm excited about the sodas because we had saw them on, I saw them on Miss Tiffany Ma's her little Asian haul, whatever. And then I was just like, man, they're probably not even gonna be in my Asian store, so I didn't even go look. And then I saw somebody else's vlog, and they happened to be in their Asian store, and they happened to be getting those same sodas. I was just like, man. So then when I went to mine today, not even thinking about it, I was just gonna get the seaweed and the radish, because I also got some yellow radish. And I just was looking and they were there. Who would have really thunk it? Because I live in a really small town, and I would have never thought that they would have been in my Asian store. So kudos to my Asian store. Well, all right. Hey guys, I'm back. Babe, you're not in it.
I want to get some candy. You go eat them.
Wait, we gonna try this.
All right.
I hope this one don't taste like carbonate. You know, weird salsa water.
They said carbonated soft drink.
Well, I asked the lady, I was like, have you ever had this kind? And she was like, no, but my kids love. Oh. Alright, ready?
Oh shit.
Babe, you were supposed to hold it for 5 seconds.
Oh.
Dang, I wish I would have got that. That would have been funny.
Why?
That would have been funny.
So why y'all hold it for? They say on the bar, on the cream.
Well, that's what happened in what's it, that one vlog we had watched, that one dude. It said hold for 5 seconds. It does.
You?
Yes. It says keep pressing for 5 seconds. Remove the green from the bottle and discard.
You might be natural now.
I think it just wants you to hold it that way because it's gonna fizz.
In
Okay.
5 seconds.
I know. Oh, it smells like cotton candy. It tastes like, kind of tastes like Sprite. That's cool though. Let me taste yours. Is it good?
Feel like cotton candy.
Oh yeah. Yours tastes just like cotton candy.
This is nasty.
It's nasty? I like it.
It's my favorite one.
Wouldn't buy it again, but it's okay. Oh, I think it's supposed to drink it sideways. That way the marble doesn't come up. Because I was just drinking it like this and it came up. So.
What is that? Was Marble still family?
I did?
Yes.
Excuse me. Oh my gosh, what happened to it? Oh, see, it's on top. Oh, wow. Okay. We're going to try the apple snack now. This is the one. I don't want no more of yours. Oh, thank you.
when the folks pull it up, they gonna say Fluffy will play.
Oh, they're not. I thought they would have been like a little hard. Is yours? It would do. It smells just like an apple. Yeah. It's good. But not as juicy as I thought. And this one got lychee, mango, and strawberry. What do you think about the apple? About the oh, babe, you didn't. Oh, you ate it. Yeah. What did you know about it?
I ain't gonna do it.
Like, was it good? Was it nasty? I think the lychee one might be nasty. Okay, this one's mango. Yeah.
Those are all on.
Strawberry. Lychee. Should we just do all those and just take a bite out of each other? Okay, which one should we do first?
Lychee.
Oh, I think it might be nasty. Okay.
Lychee.
Okay. Put it in your mouth. You like it? I don't know. It's like something I've never had before.
It's lychee. Who had lychee before?
Wait, I wonder what that is. Have you ever seen it before in like a store?
What's up with these stores?
I think these are like Walmart and stuff too. Okay, strawberry next. We should do mango next. Yeah, it's good. You like it?
Nope.
So far, the apple one's my favorite. Trying to make a movie? And last but not least, strawberry.
Stink.
Oh, it tastes just like. It tastes just like that one candy, the square candy.
Strawberries?
No.
Hachu.
Yeah, Hachu. That's what it tastes like, right? Strawberry Hachu. Okay. I don't think any of these is a 10. What do you think? Okay, what do you think, lychee? 1 through 10.
Need number 1. A 4.
A 4 for lychee? I was gonna say like 0. Mango. How would you think?
0. You said 1 through 10.
What about mango?
5.
Mango. Yeah, I guess 5. The strawberry one, solid 8.
Yeah.
And then the apple one, solid 8. Yeah, because I don't think any of them are 10. Yeah. What do you think about the drinks?
The blue one, 10.
The blue one. I gotta taste it. I don't know.
What's cracking, Lo? Where you at? I know. Where you at? Nowhere.
Bye, guys. See you next time.